Good morning, everyone. This is Umang. I will be your host. We are going to be starting very soon. We are waiting for everyone to join in. So let's wait for a minute or two and then we will be hitting live. So I hope guys are excited, ready for the interview, ready for the process, and ready to get hired. Okay, so we'll be starting shortly. Meanwhile, do one thing, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button so that you are aware of all the things that happen with Capable on the hiring from various companies that come across. So meanwhile, we are going to be starting soon. Good morning, everyone. So we are going to get started. I hope you are ready. I am ready at Capable. We are building this, opportunity for everyone to get hired in the top colleges across India. So with me, essentially, I just had a word with the team Ascendum. So we got to know that the team Ascendum will not be able to join in for the session, but no, nonetheless, what I will do is I myself will walk you through what Ascendum does, what this role is about, and all of those details in quick brief. So I'm Umang, I'm your host for today, and I hope you guys are ready to start attending and start doing great for the test. Okay, so I will be sharing my screen and will be giving you a quick walkthrough on all the details we will be going through today. Okay, so just give me a second and let me go back to the presentation. Okay, so as I said, I'm Umang Surana, co-founder at Capable, and I'm a graduate from IIT Madras. One of the vision which we have at Capable is to help all the students across India be getting opportunities in the top companies. At the same time, help the companies recruit the best talent across India. Now that's at Capable, we are building an engineering ecosystem for that. Okay, so what is today's drive going to be about? Okay, so I'm going to be walking you through why this virtual drive is, okay, and how is it becoming a mainstream over time. Okay, at we will be walking you through about Capable and the Naukri Saksham drives. We do this one and the other ones which we regularly do. Okay, then I will be walking. The company welcome was supposed, but Ascendum HR said they had got, last moment things came up with them, so they are not able to join in the call. So not an issue. What we need is the JD. I will walk you through that, and then the result will be announced today at 2:30 p.m. Or I mentioned it 3 p.m. It will be 2:30 p.m. Okay, so the complete details about the company, the job description will be shared with you guys. Then I will be giving you a walkthrough on Capable's placement portal, okay, which has more than 50 plus present ongoing hiring requirement and many more requirement that will be coming up. Okay, test will start sharp at 1:30. Test will end at 2:30, and the result will be announced at 2:30 itself. So 2:30, the meeting link will be shared with you at the end 1:30 p.m. Okay, so all those people who have been selected or who give the test, stay here after the exam, come back to see the meeting link for the 2:30 meeting invite. Also, we will send you the message WhatsApp as well for the meeting link. So you will be getting the same thing from your WhatsApp as well. So are you guys ready to get hired? I want to hear from you guys. If you guys are active, you guys going to be listening very clearly on what I'm going to be sharing and then cracking the role at Ascendum Solutions. You can write, yes, I am, or you can say, yeah, good to go. Cool. So first of all, let's talk about. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of yes, sir. Awesome. Congrat. I good. First of all, the first step is getting ready. So good that you are ready. The next step is getting hired. Now, before that, let's have a quick look at this virtual hiring. Okay. So the world is going digital. Correct. It is evolving. Previously, a lot of things which were offline, be it shopping, be it eating, be it studies, are going online. And similarly, the pool drives and the placement drives, which were previously completely offline, are now going online as well. The reason is that in campus or on site drives which happen has a lot of efforts which it has to go through. Okay, so say for example, if a company has to come to campus, they would drive physically. The college would pay or the company would pay for that, and there would be expenses. Students, if it is in campus, they would come to the campus. If it is pool campus, then students would be going to different campuses for this. Okay, and if it is on site, students would go to the site, attend, and all of that. Now, for companies also, it is time consuming and it is limited opportunity. Some students from some colleges are attending it, whereas if they can have access to the nation, they can have access to the world, why won't they go for it, right? At the same time, a student can, in a week, now attend every day a different drive. Now they can be doing multiple drives in a week, and they don't have to be, going through the hassle of preparation, being sweaty in the, what do you say, test place, jumping from one place to another, and all of that. So it is very easy for students and colleges and companies to be attending a virtual drive, and it is a level playing field. Guys, one of the things that technology is doing, that it is creating an event field for everyone. Now what do I mean by event field? Now event field is where you have everyone have the same opportunities, right? Now, why is it so? Because in a field which is virtual, you are not judged by your looks, you are not judged by anything else. You don't have geographical restrictions. Okay, you can attend it anytime. So what all matters is how good you are. So it all comes down to you yourself and no other parameters. Okay, so it is a level playing field for everyone. That's why this is becoming a new era of hiring. I'm not at all saying that the personal connects are not important. Having face to face discussions and interviews are also important. So, what we do with this is we have companies who do either complete hiring virtually, or in the final rounds, they ask students to come to on site, whichever company prefers. However, the first round, the first opportunity is given online in a virtual drive, so that there is ample of opportunities for company as well as a candidate to go for. Okay, so this is the beauty of new era of hiring, which is virtual drives. Now we at Capable are having companies which are pretty top notch in technology, like Twasta. It's a 3D printing company which construct houses, to VRV Solutions, to Mobivil, to Tech Mahindra, to Isuzu Motors, to Flextron EV. It's from data science to full stack to electric vehicle to design. All sort of companies are hiring from us via this drive, be it a very big company like Tech Mahindra to a startup. The beauty is that all of them need good candidates, and this platform is one of the platforms where you can be hired irrespective of where you are from and what you are doing. Okay, so that's the beauty about this. Coming about Capable, right? I walked you through the things we are doing with this drive. Now, let me give you an idea of what we do at Capable. So, Capable is an engineering ecosystem. Now, what do I mean by an engineering ecosystem? Right? So, when we talk about online things, we only think of courses. But as a college student, you just don't need a course, you need an ecosystem. Now, what is an ecosystem? It helps you first make aware of what are the possible opportunities, then give you skills, then give you events and competitions, then make you interact with the community. Okay, you can talk to your peers, you can talk to experts, you can understand more and be more aware of it. It gives you opportunity to learn multiple skills. It's not about just one skill. If you look at the world today, it's looking at multiple skills, be it programming, be it full stack, be it design, electric vehicle, embedded, you name it, and different genres are getting mixed today. So a good ecosystem understands this and then help you go to your outcome, which is a job, a startup, or for higher studies. So we are a unique company which is a college engineering ecosystem where we ensure a student comes in the first year or second year, they become part of the ecosystem, they take internships, they learn skills, they graduate with something really concrete in their hand. And that too with your college studies. That's where we work with colleges, we become part of the college ecosystem, and that's where the opportunities are immense right from your college. As a company, we have been grateful to be have been awarded by NASCOM. We have been incubated with. We have been awarded as EdTech Startup Challenge Award winner. We are recognized under Startup India. Our CEO Mayank Arora is a TEDx speaker. Okay, we have been awarded or selected as a game changer Indian EdTech company by Ministry of External Affairs, and we represented India in Dubai Expo 2020. We are tied up with companies which are doing or which are Fortune 500s, and we are an internationally accredited organization. So an ecosystem that is really powered, really awarded well nationally and internationally, and is founded by engineers. I am a great IITian, and Mayank is a motivation to many engineers over the years. Okay, as a company, we have worked with a lot of colleges across India, 1.8 lakh plus students. We have immense industry partners, lot of college faculties take our faculty development programs, and so on. The list goes on. Okay, so this is where we were welcoming Ascendum team. So what I would do is I will share my screen. I will take you through the Ascendum aspects, okay, of what it is going to be about Ascendum. So let me open Ascendum website and then walk you through the details over there. So So Ascendum Solutions India. Okay, this is Ascendum Home. So let's look at what Ascendum do. Okay, so Ascendum is already an award-winning company as well. Okay, they have they won the award for 2020 for by Fast Company. So they are custom expertise. Okay, they provide integration expertise. They have services in digital, talent, mortgage, accounting products. Okay, you would be mostly working with digital aspects, and since the role is very clear on the solution provider, okay, so you would be working as a you are working going to be working in that role. Now coming to what the company does. Okay, let's look at some of the work of the company. They provide solutions to pharmacy benefits, for pharmacy benefits. Financial leaders also they work with. They have worked on analytics and UI. They work with transportation companies. So this seems to be an opportunity for you to be working via one company in multiple industries. That's the beauty of Ascendum, that you would be, if in the software developer or software junior software development role, you might be working on multiple projects from here on. Okay, so the good thing is Ascendum is a very big company. It has its presence across industries. It has presence across fields, and as a person in the company, you would have opportunity to grow in multiple roles. So the kind of projects you might be getting will also be in multiple domains, which will enrich your experience. You after a year or so, um, you would be having expertise in multiple domains. So if you apply somewhere, if you grow in the company itself, this becomes a great thing. Now let's look at the job description of Ascendum. Okay, so and guys, meanwhile, I'm walking you through Ascendum. If you have any questions about Ascendum or the job description, whatever I can answer, I will be glad to walk you through that. Other questions, other things, they would be giving you a call from today and tomorrow. So in that case, you talk to them about anything you have to ask about. So they are looking to hire from 0 to 3 years. Qualification is BE, B.Tech. It's a junior software developer role. Okay, what they are looking for is you to be skilled in Angular or ASP.NET. Okay, TypeScript, CSS, HTML, functional JavaScript, object-oriented JavaScript, fundamentals, Git, of course, ESS, ES6, ES7. Okay, you would be working in integrating front-end applications. So mostly it would be Angular is what it seems like you would be working on. Okay, then you should be aware of single page applications. You should be aware of Angular architecture. You should be good with debugging skills. Critical thinking and problem solving is definitely something which everyone needs. Okay, and if you have understanding of Node.js, now Angular plus Node.js creates the basis of the full stack, right? There are multiple things also, databases and others, but front end and back end, if you have understanding of Node.js and if you have understanding of Angular, it is awesome. If you have understanding of object-oriented JavaScript and you are good with JavaScript and you are willing to learn Angular, you still have a go at it. Okay, what is the role and responsibility for you going to be? Okay, from the skill requirement, it is very obvious, which is that you will be designing and developing components in Angular supporting various website applications. Okay, you will be working independently also, and at the times you would be reporting in a team. Okay, you will be delivering a complete front-end application in Angular. You will adhere to the design guidelines, which is the most important thing for any front-end developer. Participate in the development of advanced UX features. Provide assistance and guidance during QA and UAT phase to quickly confirm the validity of potential issues. Okay, Ankit Shah would be mostly your touch point from here on. After this, the test you would be taking up, and then they would be walking you through the all details of this. So as I told you, this is the JD. If you have any questions about the company, about the role, feel free to ask up in the chat. I'm be looking at the chat and will be taking up the questions. About the role, feel free to ask up in the chat. I'm looking at the chat and will be taking up the questions. What are the number of positions they are hiring for? Okay, I think what I am told is they are looking for one person to hire. Okay, so there's one opportunity which is there for you to crack for. Okay. Is there any positions, other position in Ascendum? They might have other position in Ascendum. They would be sharing those details very soon. If there are more, we will be sharing it either on our portal, which I will be walking you through. Okay, and you could directly be talking to Ascendum also if you are selected for the next round. So any other opportunities would also be shared to you once you have registered on our portal and be part of the community and everything else. Sai Nohita has asked, can you please share the WhatsApp link? WhatsApp link for what, Sai Nohita? Devalingam has asked when the test is to start. Test is going to start sharp at 1 o'clock and it will be ending at 1:30 o'clock. Rohit, is there any bond? There's nothing, no mention of bond in the JD, so my guess is no. But if there is, you should be definitely asking them. They might start calling you today and tomorrow on this. Okay, so if there's a bond, they would inform, but since it's not mentioned in JD, my guess is that there might not be a bond. Kranti has asked hiring process. So Kranti, the first one would be test from 1 to 1:30. Selected students, around 15 to 20 students would be shared with Ascendum. Ascendum would talk to them and then they would be calling the students. Then there would be 2 or 3 rounds from there. One would be tech round where they would be checking your Angular skills. One would be an operation round also. And then there would be an HR round. Okay, so there would be a technical coding round and other rounds also after this. Where is the link for the test, Soumya? It would be shared at 1 o'clock itself. Yes, Sai Noita will be sharing the details for this drive and the WhatsApp group link right in few minutes with all of you. Okay. Sir, I only know Python and Oracle. Am I suitable for this job? So Durga Prasad, as per the JD, you are not fit for the job. If you have understanding of JavaScript, then you would be a fit. If you want to take a test and see where do you stand, you can do that. Okay. Kranti Kumar, test link at 1 o'clock. Syllabus for test, it would be based on the JavaScript aspects a bit and object oriented questions and all of that. So it would be on that software developer role. Okay. So Ascendum location is good point. Let me check if that is mentioned in the JD. 1 second. Give me a second. It's not here in the JD. Let me check if we have that on our background. The location would be Ahmedabad. The job location would be Ahmedabad, and you would be working out of there. So that's how it would be. Okay. So that's about that. Coming back to the questions. Is it work from home? No, it's not work from home. It is work from office. Is Ascendum a product or service-based company? From the website, it looks more like service-based company. They might have some products. I would suggest ask these questions, get these clarifications once you start getting calls from HR. There's no clear mention of it. Guys, I will show you one more thing in few minutes on how to get to know more about a company. Okay, which we will be using ChatGPT 4 to do that. Okay, so location Ahmedabad. How? Okay, Naveen saying Tata bye bye. Perfect, Naveen. We'll see you in the next things. Raghav Sharma, how to register for these drives? Raghav, I will be sharing the link to the community with you. One thing is subscribe to the group, subscribe to the YouTube, and then you will be looking at it, join it from there, and then apply it to them directly because the test would be happening. How we can upload resume to Capable, I would be walking you through step-by-step process of that, Afreen. Spandan, I have to take test only on lap or I can take in mobile also. So usually you can take a test on mobile also, guys, but be serious for these drives. Usually join all these drives from laptop so that you can do it better. Sumit, can Capable help me get an internship? Of course, Sumit, we work for both on jobs and internships. This is a job requirement, guys. Let me tell you that. So all the people who are in for job should be, taking this up. How many positions, Naveen? One position is for sure. If their candidates better, they might hire more, more. But one candidate for sure is what they are looking for. Aman from Pragma Edge for further rounds, could you please update us? So yes, Aman, we have got a list from Pragma Edge. They've shortlisted the student. They would be calling up the students. So all the previous students also would be getting updates. It's just that you know how the company processes works, right? Some companies are very active on this. Okay, they hire maybe every week. Within a week, they close the details. Others take more time because their processes are long or there are more applications they have got and they go through them one by one. So Pragma Edge, however, I have got the detail that they have shortlisted the students. I got it today itself. So I am sure they would be, walking you through all of those things. So why are we in another company which took things from us? They have even hired students and they have announced the hired student list. Okay, so we was also one of the placement drive we did on YouTube. For the YouTube Bangalore, they would be opening in Bangalore as well. Guys who are asking or spamming the chat, I am removing you all. If you put this again, I would be removing you from the channel, and then you will not be able to access any of these placement drives that would be coming across multiple domains. Okay, this is work from office location. How can we apply to other drives if available? I will be showing you the website for our capable.in placement portal, and from there you can apply. Cool. So I think uh, guys, this is a placement drive. I would like everyone to maintain the decorum. Just strictly engineering and placement related questions. Okay, I would appreciate the support because you are the students, you are looking for opportunities, and this is the beginning. So anything you do or anything you show over here is reflection of what you are and how you are. And I'm sure you are amazing people who are here because you are looking for great jobs. Okay. So will there be any position of Hadoop admin in future at Capable? Abrar, we have not looked at Hadoop admin specific positions. If there is, we will be posting it on our placement portal and you could be notified from there. Okay. Can you tell me how can I use your platform to get an internship? Yes, Sumit, I will be walking through that in few minutes. Test link Neha will be sharing at 1 o'clock. Nagababu Define Labs is going to take a few more days. One of the HR who was from there has got COVID, so the person has not been able to, shortlist and proceed from there. However, it would be soon picking up, and they have said that they would be sharing the shortlisted and finalized list of candidate very soon. Okay, cool. So I think we are good for the next step, which I showed you. Ganesh, if you are graduating now in 2023, you are. If you are not graduating now, so in that case, you will not be applicable for the role. Okay. Test would be for half an hour. I have awareness of Node.js and React.js, but not on Angular. Go ahead with the test, Nishant. I think you would still be relevant for this role. How frequently? Tomorrow we have two drives. Weekend we might have one or two drives. So as the company comes, they want a drive. So in a week there could be 4 or 5 drives happening. Sometimes only one drive as per the company requirement. However, everything will be on the portal. Okay. So many companies are fine with the drive. They want to hire via drive. Other companies just want to hire via portal. Okay. Yesterday drive result would be announced at 2:30 p.m. again today itself with the result of Ascendum. So guys, let me do this. Since the questions are almost similar, I am jumping to the next aspect of things wherein I am walking you through placement portal at Capable. How can you apply, what you should do, and all of those aspects. And my laptop is shutting down. Hi all, sorry for the delay from my side. There was a technical glitch that happened because of which my laptop got shut down. So that had been the issue. So we are back. I will be sharing my screen and we'll be going through those details. So just give me a second. So we were talking about placements.capable.in. I would be walking you through that right away. Okay, so I hope first of all you guys can see the stream and the screen. Can you hear me back? Am I audible and the screen visible? Cool. So since it's visible, I was walking you through Capable platform, right? So the first thing on the Capable platform is the placements.capable.in. Now Capable.in is our website. To give you an idea about Capable, as I told that we are an engineering ecosystem platform, which means that we work with colleges across India, students across India, and we have been voted as one of the top companies. We have programs which provide internships and job guarantee in EV, data science, design engineering, full stack. Mechatronics is still work in progress. Okay, as I shared with you the more details about it, I would suggest check out our website once the session is done. Okay, individually, so I'm just sharing the website here. I hope you guys can see the screen. Okay, now coming to the next aspect, which is on the placement portal. Now let me take you quickly through that. So in placement portal, you have to go to sign in first. Many of you might already have signed in. If you have not signed in, I would recommend you sign in. So first create an account. If you go to create an account, okay, you would be asked to upload your resume. Okay, put your email ID, password, re-enter the password, full name, last name, mobile number. You can write the application or skip it. Then you write your professional details, whether you have graduated or you are going to graduate. If you have a referral code from us or a college code, you can enter it here or you can skip it. You attach your resume, you mention the captcha and you register. Once you register, you will come back to this screen wherein you were asked to sign in. Now you have to sign in again, and once you sign in, you will see the portal where you have to mention your experience, your education, your skills, your internships, your projects, everything in detail. Now why in detail? Because this portal is on AI. If you have mentioned things in detail, we match it directly with the JD and we give that score to the company. So the company automatically hire the person who has a better score, right? So that's why you should be giving a complete profile once you have given the test, or once you have completed that, it should be very much in detail. So that's how it should be. So this gives you a quick detail about the portal. If you have any question on the portal or anything, you can feel free to ask up. What I would also do is I will drop the links of the portal and the community with you in the chat. So on the Capable community, we have WhatsApp groups. The community is on WhatsApp group. You can join the community and then you can be part of it, where we update about all the requirements which are by industry over there. Okay, so if you are an engineer, you are looking for opportunities. If you are an engineer who is looking for options, okay, you will be getting all of these details here. Now let me put in the links of the website and all of those portals here. So candidate portal profile, capable in profile, both are being placed here. You can go through them after the test. Okay, first complete the test from 1 to 130, and then you go to the portal, register yourself, and then be taking up other opportunities from there. Okay, now let me also share with you the website community link, which is taking some time to load up. Let me see. Nonetheless, I will be sharing with you in some time. So guys, we have around 20 minutes. One thing I would like to show you is a hack of how should you be prepared for your placement. Now, many of you asked about, okay, where the work location is going to be. Now, so see, technical role and everything else you should be prepared for, right? So usually it is a very good, and many of you asked about, okay, whether Ascendum is a product company or a solution company or a software company. Okay, so for all of these things, you can use ChatGPT, or you should use ChatGPT. Okay, let's ask, uh, what do you say? ChatGPT whether Ascendum.com is a solution, Ascendum.com is a product or a service company. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. Now it has information till 2021. You could use Bing Chat or Bard also for that. However, from 2021 information, it says it's a service company. Okay. Now the second thing is, if you have to go for interview preparation, okay, you can put this JD here, okay, and ask it, ki, give me questions which can be asked in interview or as per the JD. Okay, and it would start giving you some questions. From there you can start building up. Now of course it is not the complete list, but then you can dig deep. You can ask for more questions. You can ask for more questions in functional JavaScript or object oriented JavaScript, and it would start giving you more details. So use ChatGPT a lot is what I would say when you are preparing your resume, when you are preparing a test or going for interviews and all of that. The next thing you should also look at, if you're going to be preparing for the HR round, okay, you should know about Ascendum work culture. Now, why is work culture important? See, people and companies hire someone whom they can work with. Now, every company is different. Now, and every role is different. So, as per the role, they would have a certain requirement which they will hire you for. Okay. So, for Ascendum, let's look at what the work culture is like. Does ChatGPT know that? Okay, so it talks about collaboration and teamwork. It talks about innovation and technology. It talks about learning and development, open and inclusive, work-life balance, employee well-being, all of that. One thing is not always be limited to ChatGPT. Use good old Google as well. Okay, so you would find some reviews. You would find, company gives employees freedom to have a great working environment and all of that. So usually Ascendum has a great reviews. Okay, so you can go through them and then be prepared in all the aspects. You can even reach out to people on LinkedIn, okay, and then talk to them how Ascendum works, what are the things you can be prepared with, and all of that. So that's how you can use multiple technologies, be it LinkedIn, be it YouTube, be it Google, be it ChatGPT, to be more prepared, okay, about all of these technologies and all of these solutions. And the interview is better. From how to create your resume to what questions can be asked in ChatGPT, in interview, to anything, you can benefit by being aware and using technologies. So we are 15 minutes away from the test. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask me right now. Also, I'm sharing the community link for Capable WhatsApp. You can join this. You can follow us on LinkedIn and you can follow us on Instagram. That is also where we keep updating all about us very frequently. So this would be the link. Or you can just search for us for Capable and then you will have that. If I click as member, yeah, this is the link. I am putting it in the chat here. Cool. Capable referral code is given at times to colleges. Right now, you might not have got it, which is fine. We have not started very actively circulating that. Okay. Guys, since I think we have covered most of the things and I'm not getting questions from you guys, what we can also do is start the test at 12:55. Okay, in less than 10 minutes. So you can ask everyone to join in, your friends and everyone else, so that they don't miss it. And we will be circulating the test within next 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, what I would do in those 10 minutes, if you have any questions you want to ask me, you can ask me. Or how to set up Capable platform profile, I will share the link with you. And then you can set your profile on Capable with the detailed document step by step. Meanwhile, feel free to ask up any question about Ascendum, about how to, in general, you should prepare for any company and all of those aspects. You can visit this page for details. Okay. We'll be starting the test in 7 minutes now. If you have any questions, you feel free to ask up. Otherwise, we'll start the test at 12:55. We'll end the test at 1:25. I know only Python language. See, Ashutosh, the test is open for all, but the requirement is clearly for Angular script, Angular and JavaScript related aspect. Sumit, if you have no experience, you should definitely register with Capable. Okay, you get started, you want to learn skills, you can enroll in our pay after placement programs. These programs are worth more than 50,000 to a lakh, but we give it at as low as initial subscription of rupees 6,500 approx, and then you can pay the rest after you get a job or internship, and this is on guarantee as well. Okay, so at Capable, we value student feedback. So the program which usually everyone else sells for around 50,000 or a lakh, we have given after, under pay after placement at a very, affordable pricing. So you can take the course, you can learn from there, or you directly apply for the internships and jobs and attend the boot camps and everything else, which are made aware on different, community platforms. You learn from there and then apply. So there are multiple options, free or paid from us, which you can enroll in, learn, apply. We want India to be the best engineering country in the world, because to be the world powerhouse, we need to be there. Shraddha will be sharing the test link in next 5 minutes. If anyone who has friends who should be attending that link, or if anyone who is not aware and you want them to attend, send them this YouTube link and ask them. I cannot complete the profile without experience on capable platform. Then just mention no experience in the things, because if you are in college, we expect you to have some projects, but if you have no experience, just mention no under that. Okay, experience no, details of experience no, just continue with that. So it's 12:50. We will be starting in less than 4 minutes. And what I want is all of you to do great in the test and be, a great opportunity for Ascendum to be, getting hired in. So Ascendum should be like, okay, I have good candidates to hire. Whom should I hire? That problem, rather than not having a candidate to hire from. So be that guy, learn skills, keep practicing. We have these drives, we have these tests, do them well, and soon you will be getting calls and getting interview calls and getting hired. So 3 more minutes to the test. As I said, result would be announced at 2:30 p.m. We will be sharing the meeting link for 2:30 p.m. at 1:25. So join back and get the link. Also, we will be sending all the people who give the test the meeting link to join to see the result. Those who had attended the drive yesterday, the results will be announced today again for them as well at 2:30 p.m. itself. Okay. So all of that would be happening at 2:30 p.m. today. What I would do is I would also set up the stopwatch here, which you can then look into when we start the test. Okay, it would be a 30-minute timer. I will start it sharp at 12:55. Test started at 12:55, ends at 1:25 p.m. Guys, an important information to everyone. At 1:25 p.m. sharp, the test will automatically close. If you have not completed the test by then, you will lose your test access. Okay, so you should start submitting by 1:24. Okay, test link start time 12:55 p.m. ends at 1:20 p.m. Okay, here goes the test link. Start applying. I have pinned the message as well. Okay, and I'm starting the stopwatch too. So the test is going on. You have a stopwatch to look at. All the best, guys. Do great in the test, and I will be informing you 5 minutes before whether the test, only 5 minutes are left, and then we'll be closing the test as well at sharp at the time mentioned. Hi all, around 10 minutes left. I hope you guys are doing good. So all the best. Finish it well before time. The time is 1:25. Hi all, 4 minutes left. Those who have completed, I am sharing the meeting link in the chat here, which you can join at 2:30, and we will be sending you the message as well. The result will be announced soon. Those who are still doing, finish it before 125. At 125, it will automatically close here, so you won't be able to submit if you have not completed it by then. Result announcement link. It is in the chat here. Sai Yadav, next round would be mostly informed by the HR team. They would be calling you mostly either today or tomorrow about the next rounds. When will the result be announced? The results will be announced today at 2:30 p.m. Joining link I'm sending again. So last few minutes left, around 2.5. Hi all, it's about to be closed. It's less than a minute left. Start submitting so that you don't end up losing the test. If you have not submitted, automatically anytime it would be closing off, and I hope you don't miss the test. So start submitting. Many students do come back and say they couldn't do it, so that wouldn't be great. Okay, submit the test. Submit, submit, submit. So time's up. Cool. So since it's done, now let's come to the portal again. Okay guys, any questions, anything you have to ask, feel free to ask up, else we are good. I've shared the meeting link in the chat here, which you can access. We'll be starting sharp at 2:30. If you have any confusion, any concerns, feel free to ask up and we'll be good. So I hope, how did the exam go? Any suggestions on exam? Any questions? You guys did well? Link to WhatsApp. I am sending the community link to WhatsApp again here in the chat. Let's put it in the chat. Good, Samir. Good, Aziz. Nice. Cool then. See you guys at 2:30. I hope all of you crack it. Okay. Looking forward to seeing more and more of you getting placed in the good companies. And do give us feedback. Reach out to us on support@capable.com, capable.in rather. Okay, for any inputs you have, you are become part of the WhatsApp groups. You can communicate with us directly live in these groups as well. Give us feedbacks and inputs, and do create your profile on the placement portal. We are still in an experiment mode on placement portal. It's a beta, but soon it would be fully fledged in a month when we will be onboarding 50, 100 plus opportunities every day. That's what our target. So this month we are still building it up. Within a month, things would be very streamlined and you would be getting results very smoothly from us and very good results as well. So with this, I think we guys are almost at the conclusion. I hope all of you did great. All the best. We'll be connecting with you at 2:30 p.m. See you then. Thank you all. Take care. Bye bye.